50 Shades of Grey is coming out this weekend, and it's all over the cinemas, all over the newspapers, magazines, online, wherever else. Everywhere you look, there's signs of buses going by with 50 Shades of Grey in it. A couple of decades ago, we were still banning books in this country and banning magazines. Do you think Irish people are more comfortable talking about sex than they used to be?
It's not what I would experience when people come in for couple counselling or for sex therapy. They still feel quite shy about sex. Even young people in their 20s would still feel very shy, feel very awkward or embarrassed about talking about sex. I think we talk more about it out there in the media and socially. There's a lot of banter about it, but when it comes to a relationship and communicating about needs and desires and what a person isn't happy with, I think that's a different story.
Have we improved at all over the years?
I think we have improved. We have to say we have improved, because there's more out there and people talk a little bit more about it, so we have to have improved a bit. I hope we have.
Yeah, and I suppose once people come through your door and they're there and they get comfortable, once they get going, I'd imagine the wheels are off. Yeah.
I think there's a little bit of a stigma around going maybe for people to get help around sex, but actually when they get started, it becomes much easier for them, and they're usually so pleased that they've actually done it, because they get more comfortable. It opens up their ability to communicate better with their partners, and it becomes easier. It's like anything that we do and talk about over and over again. We become more comfortable with it.
Sure.